Good. Actually, I don't know if I even got any user login.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing. Thank you.
Also at the end I'll show the stock levels as well. Actually, it's making, I'll show the stock levels. So we can enter 0056. Now we can see on machine 2 stock levels, see if it's empty, if it's getting low even. So I've only got a litre of milk left in this one. Sugar levels, powder, bean levels. Now I can see machine 1 is greyed out as well. If we went over to the other tablet, machine 2 would be machine 1 would be highlighted instead. Then we can also see our cup stock levels. So 1, 2, 3, cup 5 is empty. Yeah. Now I enter in my PIN code 2260. Okay. I'm holding, talking to the server. And my drink.